Thibai kemun bebang no Chekechakai Chawi Thangkha. Hoskri khlaye Malkhung Mothorthani haine hai Malkhung Chekechakai chajak Malkhung bisego kajak shak deraja. Pati mongo Chawi manka Mohanobimini achukni jorawo. Bisram Gonjin Simi Udaipur Thangmani National Highway Road 8 number Idbatta Bazarganawo Malkhung Philjagai Thangkha. Chawi manka Malkhung Mothornai yak ari lajagai Malkhung Philjagai klai Thangkha. Malkhung bisego kajak tongo khorongnai borok shak derakha. Sarang tongmani bai kethang tongrukha hayake kotor patimung patibu thangkamun Malkhung bo haino Buphang thangai phobjagai Thangkha Chekechakai Chawi Thangkha yagulo phunga chiri chiri kamni lukurongni mokolo kalaki hanke koktoma horjaka Bisramgonjni horbuthanai brindiarongno Bisramgonjni horbuthanai brindiara koktoma mama logologino phai shak dajarongno khosawi tilangai Thangkha
বিশেষ করে কালকে রাত্রে
ভোরবেলা এটা বারান্দা গেছে নি
না 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 কিছু ছিল
গাছ পেরে গেছে উপরে
মানে গাড়িতে কয়জন লোক আছে জানেনি
না 2-3 জনের মনে আছে
এই জায়গাটার নাম কি দা
ইটবাট্টা
জাতীয় সড়কের লগে গাড়িটা এখনো তুলছে না এদিকে না
না না এখন উড়াইছে
কখন উড়াইবো
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norgni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayungber ni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test khayrni bagai namashak shep shap tongo te test khlai ujago o hospital lo hatibar thagino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo buirongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai faidi kaham hayong bemni sakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebashina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo oro treatment khaipayo kubuni hospital login sulai oro kisha rangbai no kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo tai bo kaham kai saimanna ni bagai tin hospital of haye visit khlaimano hambai